Organic farming
versus home gardening.
Organic farming is so much tougher than home gardening.
No way, dude, come on. Home gardening is way more tougher.
Organic farming has a lot more economic pressure. You need to make a profit out of it. Home gardening is just for fun.
Just for fun? You lose all your money in home gardening if you don't do it smartly.
See, in organic farming, you are at the mercy of elements of nature. So many things can go wrong. What if it just rains a lot? Or what if it doesn't rain at all? What do?
Well, in home gardening, you'll have to run from balcony to balcony. This balcony gets sunlight in the morning. This balcony gets sunlight in the evening. What do?
See, in organic farming, there is so much that a farmer needs to learn. You need to learn how to make Jivamrita, how to make Panchagavya, how do you make different kashayams, how do you prepare your soil, n number of things.
Home gardeners have to deal with so many things, right? Like so many varieties of plants. There's ornamental plants, there's indoors, there's edible also if you want to have a kitchen garden. And there's of course butterfly gardens and vertical gardens, and the varieties are just so many.
We are not able to come to a conclusion. What do you guys think? Check out our courses on organic farming
and home gardening
on Farmizan Academy, www.farmizan.com/academy. See you there.